I thought that guy was speaking to the cameras. So we're all outside here. We're waiting for to be welcome inside. I think it'll start at 11. What are you looking forward to?
The short films mostly, and getting to network with other filmmakers.
Oh shit! I think we're going.
Really?
I probably should bleep that out. All right, Mullah. For our morning, we had the official Maoriland welcome. Well, that was your first pōwhiri. What your first Maori traditional welcome? What is it like? What are your thoughts?
Yeah, so enlightening and getting to experience a new culture other than my own culture. Even though I've experienced my those traditional savers over and over again, but seeing them and how they've taken so much pride in doing it makes me realize, I need to appreciate my culture more.
And we had a star at the opening.
Yeah,
did you get his name?
I didn't get his name, man. I was supposed to check it out. He was in Deadlands, man.
Yes, he was in Deadlands. He was in Chief of War.
Chief of War. He was in Shortland Street.
Shortland Street.
He was in all those movies, man. Fingers crossed I get to take a picture with him.
Now we're just sitting outside the Maoriland hub, and we are waiting to get our filmmaker pass for this afternoon.
Have been valuable. They have expanded my understanding of what is possible, what excellence can look like, and what happens when serious infrastructure, serious ambition, and serious investment sits behind story.
Epi, the fella just met his hero, DK. What's his full name?
I can't say it's there, but look at me, man. It's
So he's really emotional because he's a big fan of TK.
It's Shortland Street was a big thing.
That's for sure.
Growing
That's for
up. When you're a 2000s kid,
Yeah.
there's a saying, don't meet your heroes. But you know what? If there's a chance, take a risk. Go at it. But just be cool about it, man.
And we're only on our first day.
First day, man. So far, so good. So far, so good.